Hidden in the Sand by Barbara Taylor. Animals that live in hot, sandy deserts are good at hide and seek. The animals hide by blending in with the background. This is called camouflage. Some animals have pale, sandy colors that matches the sandy ground. This makes them hard to see. The sandy color of Darka's gazelle hides them from hunters such as cats and hyenas. Other animals have patterns such as spots, streaks, or blotches. They are well camouflaged in stony deserts. Some animals, such as stone grasshoppers, look like stone. A stone grasshopper disappears on the stony ground of its African desert home. Deserts are so dry that few plants can grow here. In sandy deserts, the wind blows the sand into hills called sand dunes. There are not many places to hide. Many desert animals are pale brown, yellow, or silver to give them camouflage. Jerboas usually come out at night. They have a light brown back to camouflage them during the day. A meerkat's fur is silver, orange, or golden brown to match the sand of its desert home. Meerkats hunt for insects, spiders, and scorpions during the day. Meerkats live together in groups. Some meerkats watch out for animals that hunt them, such as eagles, while the rest of the meerkats play or search for food. Only a few animals can survive in the hot, dry desert. Animals that hunt other animals for food are called predators. The animals they hunt are called prey. A roadrunner hunts during the day. Its streaked feathers camouflage it as it hides and waits. When a snake or other prey comes by, the roadrunner leaps out and grabs it. Many desert animals hunt at night when it is cooler. As it gets dark, sand cats come out to hunt for mice, lizards, and birds. During the day, sand cats shelter among the rocks and stones. They crouch low to the ground with their ears flat. Predators such as wolves, snakes, and birds cannot see them. Desert snakes wait patiently for a meal to pass by. Their colors and patterns match the sand and rocks. Some desert snakes cover their bodies with sand. Many desert snakes hunt at night because it's too hot during the day. Rattlesnakes can find their prey in total darkness. They have two special openings called pits below their nostrils. These pits pick up the heat of nearby animals. Prey animals are less likely to be caught if they are hard to find. If they keep still, their camouflage hides them. It gives them a good chance of staying alive. Desert larks match the sandy color of desert soil. These tiny birds are hard to see, especially when they sit still on their nest on the ground. Jackrabbits and their relatives, desert cottontail rabbits, run fast in a zigzag pattern to escape from predators. The cottontail's white tail is like a warning flag. It tells other cottontails to run away too. A jackrabbit is a type of hare. Its fur is made up of brown hairs with black tips, which help it hide among thin desert bushes. Horned lizards search for ants to eat during the day. These tiny lizards are in danger from predators such as hawks and snakes. Horned lizards have spiny skin. Their colors and patterns on their skin match the sandy background. Horned lizards can also change color over time to blend in better with their surroundings. A horned lizard moves slowly. If it has to move, it runs a little way and then stops suddenly. When the lizard flattens its wide, flat body against the ground, it makes no shadow. It just melts into the ground and vanishes. Many desert birds lay their eggs on the ground because there are no trees for their nests. Gazelles and other large animals also have to hide their babies on the ground. Baby gazelles and antelopes are often a dull brown color. When they crouch down low and keep still, they look like brown rocks or bumps. A female sand grouse lays 3 spotted eggs on the ground. She keeps the eggs warm during the day, and the male takes over at night. When the eggs hatch, the sand grouse chicks are well camouflaged. The parent birds often have to fly a long way to find water. The male bird then wets his tummy feathers and carries the water back to the chicks. Finnick foxes live in Africa. Kit foxes live in North America. Even though these foxes live in very different parts of the world, it is hard to tell them apart. A Finnick fox and a Kit fox look the same because they both live in deserts and use the same skills to survive. The Finnick fox has a fluffy, cream-colored coat which blends in with its sandy home. A Kit fox has a thick, furry coat which is brown or gray in the summer. Its fur changes to silvery gray in the winter, when there may be snow in the desert. Kit foxes come out at night to hunt for prey such as kangaroo rats, snakes, and jackrabbits. Some desert lizards are very good at changing color to match their background. Patches of color in their skin move or become bigger or smaller to change how the lizard looks. Desert lizards change color for many different reasons. A desert chameleon changes color for camouflage and when it is fighting or frightened. It also changes color as the day gets hotter or cooler. A thorny devil changes color from reddish-brown to black to match its background. It has a false head behind its real one. If a thorny devil tucks its real head between its legs, a predator will attack the false bump so the real head is not hurt.